Hello friends, my name is Nitish Yadav and I am from Lalitpur, Uttar Pradesh, which comes in Bundelkhand. And district which I am talking about is a very small district, and I come from a village. The population of my village is only 1200. So I am from there, and I want to share about when I have decided to learn English. So when I was in my class 12th, I had decided I will learn English because my English was not very good that time. So I talked with my parents. I want to go to learn English in Noida because we all know that this coaching was in Noida before 1 year. So I talked with my parents. I will go there, but due to lockdown, it was not possible for me to go there before 1 year. So I talked with my parent, with my father. So I want to go to join my career doctor. So he suggests me, it depends on you, whatever you want to do. If you want to learn English, you can go. I will not stop you. But be careful. If you will go there in Noida, the Noida city is very big and you will find many big things there. And the district where we live, this is a very small district. So be careful when you will go there. And if you want to learn, you can go. I will not stop you. So but due to corona, I did not go there. And when in January 2021, I found a video on my career doctor where sir was saying the coaching has shifted from Noida to Darbhanga. So I was very shocked that time because I was not aware about the district of Darbhanga. I was thinking where is this district and how I will go there, and when the coaching will open there. So I did a little bit search on Google where is Darbhanga. Then I find Darbhanga is in Bihar and it will be around 1200 kilometer from your district. So my goal was clear to learn English. So it does not matter for me how far it is. So I decided I will go to Darbhanga and I will learn English. So in January, I have decided I will go, and then I talked with my parents. The coaching has shifted from Noida to Darbhanga, and I want to go there. So he said to me, you don't know nothing about, because before that you did not go anywhere. This was my first experience, and this was my first traveling experience from one city to another, and cover cover a more distance. So I said to him, don't worry. Nothing will happen with me. I will handle everything. Because if we should do something, we should have to sacrifice. So I said to my father. So my father always with me, and he loves me a lot. My mother is also loves me a lot, and my father said to me, you can go and be careful, give your 100% whatever you want to do. If you will not give your 100%, you will not achieve your goal. Because I said to him, I will do the hard work. And then I decided I will go to the railway station, and where I confirm my ticket, and I decided I will go to Darbhanga, and I reached to Darbhanga in 1st of February, I think. So I came here. I came here. Firstly, I met to Arya sir, who pick up me from railway station, and I came actually at night. So I went to the Arya sir rooms, and where I live at night. Then I found a PG here in Darbhanga, and in the morning I met with the Prakash sir. I met with the Prakash sir and talked with him. He took my little interview, how my English is. So he said to me, your basic English is good, and you can join 8 o'clock batch. So then I came at 8 o'clock. Firstly, I came at 8 o'clock batch, and then he suddenly said to me, come on stage and speak something about yourself. But I did not get chance before that to speak something in front of the public. So that was my first experience, and my body was stuttering that time, and I was not I was unable to speak something. That time I speak only my name, and I'm from the district I only mention. I did not speak more about that. So Prakash sir was very kind person, and he said to me, don't worry, you will learn. Go and sit on your seat. And slowly, gradually, I transform myself, and I have developed a lot here. Actually, I did not learn only English here. I have learned lots of things, and now I have a ability to speak and to address in front of the public. I can speak anything and anywhere, because I gain a little bit knowledge from in every sector, which gives by our teacher, my career